Hi, this is Michael Talis with the Talis team. This is week 4 of the shelter-in-place order, and we hope you are staying healthy, staying safe, and staying well supplied. For us, it is beginning to feel like one of those before and after events in our lifetime. It is also beginning of the month, a time when we usually review the previous month's market matrix and statistics. This year's March was a very unusual month in many ways, our local housing market included. Starting March 17th, 6.7 million residents of the 6 Bay Area counties were ordered to stay at home, with exception of providing or receiving essential services. Statewide restrictions followed just a few days later. Eventually, real estate was declared one of the essential services. We want you to know we're following all CDC and local guidelines throughout the buying and selling process to ensure your safety. Talk to us about your needs. We're here to answer your questions, help facilitate your next move, or just chat on the phone. So, what happened last month in our local housing market? We're seeing a mix of market indicators in March data. Market activity, such as new listings or closings, went down because of the pandemic fighting measures and social distancing. At the same time, home prices continued to rise, a trend that started at the beginning of this year. More on that later. While March is typically the beginning of a strong selling season, bolstered by new homes on the market, the number of new listings this year fell by 6% compared with February of 2020 and by 18.6% compared to March of last year. March home sales also took a hit. The number of accepted offers on homes dropped by 14.5% month over month and by 30.5% year over year due to the shelter-in-place orders. There are no indications that the pandemic had any significant influence on the sale price, at least not yet. The median March sale price increased to $1.3 million in Santa Clara and San Mateo counties. It is just 1.1% below the last peak our market reached in May of 2018. So, what market activity has been happening since our shelter-in-place took effect? Out of 1,364 homes that changed hands in March of 2020 in our 2 counties, 58 homes went under contract after the onset of the shelter-in-place order and closed before the end of March. These 58 homes are in all price ranges. The least expensive sold for a little under $450,000, and the most expensive sold for almost $6.7 million. These houses represent a geographically diverse Bay Area market, respective from South San Francisco all the way to Morgan Hill. When looking at our sample transactions, we see a median sale price of $1,350,000, $50,000 higher than the March's median sale price. Beyond the coronavirus pandemic, the market is still very tight, and the inventories are extremely low. The number of homes available for sale fell by 35.2% from the same time of 2019, and is only 2% above the end of February 2020 level. Half of the homes in March sold in 8 days or less, the fastest moving market since September of 2012. This can be an indicator of continued limited availability of homes for sale, not being able to satisfy buyers' demand. Is all of this a glimpse into our new market reality? It is too early to tell if pent-up demand or other local market conditions will keep the market active during this pandemic. We're monitoring all developments day by day and will keep you updated regularly. This is Michael Talis with the Talis team. Before you make any big and costly decisions about your real estate needs, let's have a conversation. We're focusing on keeping our clients safe. Let's talk on the phone or have a video conference where we can share a screen. We're looking forward to connecting with you.